Hello everyone, welcome to this quick demo on creating powerful hotel business charts using Dashboard Ninja with AI in Odoo. In just a few minutes, you will learn how to build 5 insightful charts to superchange your hotel business monitoring. Once you are logged in, open the Dashboard Ninja module and click Add New Dashboard to start from scratch. Name this dashboard as Hotel Dashboard and also the menu name. Save this. Now click on create new chart and name this chart as hotel occupancy rate. This chart will help to track how many rooms are occupied over a period of time. Select the chart type as KPI chart and for model name choose product. Also edit the domain for the products to choose product category as rooms. Also add new domain to find out the occupied rooms. Also add the default date filter with this week. We have multiple default date filters based on various date ranges we can select. Now in the data 2 section we can choose model name as product and choose the aggregate as count and domain for product category as rooms to find out the total rooms we have. This will now track how many rooms are occupied over a period of time. Let's save this chart. Move on to the next chart. Let's create average daily rate trends to monitor average income per paid rooms per day. Let's select the chart type as line chart and we can create this chart with custom query as the SQL query. Now put the SQL query and choose the x-axis as booking date. You will now see the average income per room per day. Let's move on to the next chart. Name this chart as revenue per available rooms, also known as RevPAR. Select the chart type as line chart and we also create this chart with custom query. Let's use the query in the query tab in the query section and you will now see the revenue efficiency of available rooms. Save this chart. Now in the next chart we will find out the housekeeping status of rooms. Name this chart as housekeeping status and chart type as bar chart. Select product as model name and use housekeeping status as group by and add domain to filter the products with rooms. You will now check the number of rooms with housekeeping status as there. Now move on to the last chart. Let's name this chart as average length of stay. Use line chart as chart type and for model name choose sale order line. Select under measures tab select quantity and under group by select type. This chart now shows trends in how long guests are staying. And there you have it, 5 powerful charts. Also you can change the position of these charts. Now all created charts in minutes, all fully powered by Dashboard Ninja with AI in Odoo. Use these dashboards to take real control of your retail and e-commerce business. No code, no hassle, just insight. Ready to build your own. Head to the Odoo App Store and give it a spin today.